Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on your shoes. First, it's important to identify the specific problem, whether it's a slider that won't move or teeth that won't connect. Next, gather your tools. You might need small pliers, a screwdriver, or even a new zipper pull. Finally, always start by cleaning the zipper teeth. Removing any dirt or debris can often resolve minor issues, making the repair much simpler and more effective. If your zipper is stuck, don't force it. That can cause more damage. Instead, try applying a lubricant. A common household item like a graphite pencil can work wonders. Just rub the tip along the teeth. Alternatively, a bar of soap or even a little bit of wax can help. Once applied, gently wiggle the slider back and forth a few times. This helps the lubricant spread, allowing the slider to move smoothly along the track without resistance. When zipper teeth separate, the slider often loses its grip. To fix this, use a pair of small pliers to gently squeeze the sides of the slider. This tightens its hold on the zipper track. If any individual teeth are bent or misaligned, carefully use the pliers to straighten them out. After making these adjustments, slowly move the slider up and down the track a few times to ensure the teeth are engaging correctly and the zipper is functioning smoothly. Sometimes, the zipper pull or the entire slider is beyond repair and needs replacement. First, use wire cutters to carefully remove the old, damaged component. Next, attach the new zipper pull or slider. You might need small pliers to secure it properly. It's crucial to ensure the new part is compatible with your shoe's zipper, matching its size and type for a seamless fit. This simple replacement can give your shoes a brand new, functional zipper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.